Okay, so tell me something about your summer.
Um, I went to Victoria.
Mm-hmm. So did you have a good time over there?
Yeah, I went to the Royal VC Museum.
Oh, do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. How about Alex? Can you tell me something about your summer? Hello, Alex, can you hear
Mm,
me?
yeah.
Okay, so what did you do for summer vacation?
Nothing.
Nothing? You literally did nothing?
I'm a reindeer.
You get, yeah, you look like a reindeer. Okay, so Alex and Amelia, so we're gonna start our regular routine, okay? So I want you to tell me what do I do usually for the starting of the class?
Fetus.
You're going to do the calculation, remember, Alex and Amelia? Do you want to get your paper and pencil ready?
I already have it.
Okay, very good. Okay, so we're going to, Amelia, I want you to get the thing ready, and we're going to
Yeah, I
do
did.
5 minutes calculation, okay? Remember? Okay, so I'm not sure if you did any calculations or do any math during the summer vacation, but we're going to back to our routine, okay? So 1, 2, go. Last 1 minute, everybody. Amelia 做完了吗
No.
Okay. We still have some time. Okay, our times is up, so please put down your pencil and everything. So calculate how many questions you did. It is normal, okay? It is very normal that after one summer vacation, everybody got a little bit slower down, right? Amelia, correct? Alex, correct? So don't worry about it, okay? So we're gonna slowly come back. Okay, did you send it to me? Okay, how about you, Alex? Hmm? Alex, I'm still waiting for you, okay? Don't worry about it. So we're going to start learning today. And today we're going to start our learning, start with fractions. Okay, because later on we're gonna learn more and more word problem with fractions and everything. So Alex and Amelia, I want you to have your notebook ready. So we're going to take a look at the fractions, okay? So first one, how many of you still remember what is fraction? Okay, so I'm going to just to tell you the fraction is a whole thing has been equally divided into number of the numbers of the pieces for the denominator. Okay, so every single fraction has a little line, right? And the top one is called numerator. And the bottom one is called what? Amelia?
Denominator.
Denominator. Very good. Okay, so the number of denominator represent how many equal parts are there. Okay, so for instance, okay, so we have a what? We have an apple and want equally cut it into 3 pieces. So each of the piece is what? 1/3. But Amelia, if I have an apple, I cut it into 3 pieces, and I want you to take home 2 pieces. So what is the fraction you want to write?
2/3.
2/3. Okay, very good. Okay, so next one. Okay, so if I have 1/3 plus 2/3, so equals what?
Wait, what did you say again?
So 1/3 plus 2/3.
3/3.
3/3, right? So 3
Equals
over
1.
so equals what? Equals 1.
1.
Okay, so now we're going to do easy part first. Okay, so can you tell me what is the answer for 6? Okay, so Alex and Amelia, please send it to me by chat. 1/5 plus 3/5 plus 1/5 equals what? Very easy.
I sent it to you.
Okay, thank you. So this one's very easy, right? So it's 4/5. Okay, when the denominator is the same, so you can just add the numerator, right? Okay, so now let's take a look at number 2. So 1/2 plus 1/3. Amelia, how to do it? Okay, so this time denominator is different. Okay, so how do I just want to draw a picture and you probably understand better. So if I have a pizza, same pizza, and one of them I cut it into half, and the other one I cut it into 3 pieces. Okay, so how do we plus them together? So first of all, we need to change what? Change the denominator the same, correct, Amelia?
Yeah.
Okay, so how to change them to the something same? Okay, so when we have 2 and 3, so we do what? 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. So basically just time them each other. So because remember, we have said in order to not to change the value of the fraction, Amelia, we need to do the same thing for the denominator and the numerator. If the denominator we times 3, we times 3 for the numerator as well. If the denominator we times 2, we times 2 as well. And just to copy whatever existing on the numerator part, so it's 3/6 plus 2/6 equals 5/6.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's take a look at number 3. Okay, so we're going to do another one again. So number 3 is the same. So Alex, I want you to write down the line first. So Amelia, 5 and 2. So 5 need 2 times 2. Amelia, I want you to go back to the regular, like I can see your face, okay? Yeah, because I don't want to. Okay, thank you. So the same thing is 2 times 5, correct, Alex? Okay, so times 2 and times 5. So the top is times 2 and times 5 as well. Get it? Okay, so the top, remember, it's no more 1, it is 2 and it's 1. So the answer is 4/10 plus 5/10. So the answer is what? 9/10. Correct, Amelia and Alex? Okay, so I want you to try yourself. number 5 yourself, okay? So 4 and 5. I want you to exactly do the same thing and calculate it. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this one's pretty easy, right? So we are going to have a line. So 4 times 5, but this one is 5 times 4, okay? So why it is so important, Amelia? Because you have to understand we're doing times 5 for this first fraction and times 4 for the second fraction. So this one's times 5 and this one's times 4, right, Alex? I want
Yeah.
you to make sure you understand this part, okay? So all you need to do is just to copy the existing numerator. So the answer is 15 over 20 and 8 over 20. So the answer is 23 over 20. So is it okay we have an answer like that? Amelia, usually the denominator is smaller than the numerator, right? So think about it. We have a one thing, we cut it into equal parts, and this one's more than one. So how do we do it? We do 1 and 3
3 over
over
20.
20. Very
That's
good.
what I like figured out, but I couldn't get it to like show on the chat.
Yes, yes. Okay, get it? Okay, so Alex and Amelia, number 9, number 10. Okay, two questions, number 9 and number 10.
Where's Eleanor?
他有跳舞课和这个冲突。
那 Taylor 在哪里？
Taylor 不在不在加拿大。
不在加拿大。
嗯哼，
那 Jordan 在哪里
你说完题目了吗
呀？
？Jordan 8点钟的时候上课。
哦，
Jordan 有那个篮球课。Okay, so I'm not going to explain this one, okay? So Amelia, we have 1 second. So we have 9 times 7 and 7 times 9, right? So times 7 times 9 and 5 times 7 and 3 times 9. So the answer is 35 plus 27 over 63. So equals 62 over 63. Okay, so next one. Amelia, I'm not sure if you get it right. Okay, so 11 times 4 plus, sorry, I know you get it right. Okay, so it's 5 times 4 plus 1 times 11. So the answer is 31 over 44. Okay, so Amelia and Alex, when you do those questions, I want you to make sure you simplify this. What does it simplify means, Amelia? So it is when you have the denominator bigger than the numerator, I want you to change it to this way. And if the answer is 14 over 18, is it a final answer?
no, no,
The final answer will be 7 over 9.
over 9.
7 over 9. Very good. Okay, Alex, are you still with me? Okay, so now I want everybody to start to do the minus. Okay, the minus the same as the plus, right? The only thing is you still do these. It's 2 times 3 and 3 times 2 and 1 times 3 and 1 times 2. So the answer is 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6 equals what? Equals 1 over 6. Okay, so Amelia, I want you to calculate this one and don't forget it's minus, okay? So now, boys and girls, so 14 and 15, two questions, 14 and 15, 14, 15, and 19 and 20. Don't forget to simplify if you see any simplified parts. Understand, Alex? Okay, so Amelia 又在调皮了，是不是？哎，我跟你说啊，你过一会儿，这个现在不好好学，过会儿的你要学不会了啊。Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. 5 times 3 and 3 times 5. So 4 times 3 and 2 times 5, right? So the answer is 12 over 15 minus 10 over 15 equals 2 over 15. Alex, 加油啊！Okay, so next one, I want everybody to take a look at the number 15. Okay, so Amelia and Alex, I want you to take a look at this one, very important. So at this moment, do we have to times 6 and 3 together? No, right? Because 6 is a multiple of 3. Okay, so we can do what? 3 times 2 and 2 times 2 minus 1 over 6. Because the target is making the denominator the same. If 3 times 2 already make the first fraction, the denominator equals the second one. Do we have to change the second one or not? No.
Yeah, no.
No. So 4 over 6 minus 1 over 6 equals 3 over 6. Okay? So 3 over 6 equals what, Amelia?
Equals 1 over 2.
1 over 2. Okay, very good. Understand? So number 19. So 2 times 4, 5 times 4, minus 1 times 5 over 4 times 5. So the answer is 8 minus 5 over 20 equals 3 over 20. Okay, so let's take a look at number 20. So number 20 is 8 and 6. Of course, we can do 8 times 6 and 6 times 8, right? But Amelia, can you tell me what is the lowest common multiple of 8 and 6?
$24.
Very good, 24. Okay, so we don't have to times them, but how does 8 change it to 24 times 3, right? How does 6 change it to 24 times 4? So it's 5 times 3 minus 2 times 4. So the answer is 15 minus 8 over 24 equals 7 over 24. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I want you to do the same thing for number 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, remember, find the lowest common multiple first. And 老师 meanwhile go to the washroom, okay? So 21, 22, 23, 24.
21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay.
做完了吗？做完了，告诉老师啊。So first one, always find out the lowest common multiple. Alex, do you still remember how to find out the lowest common multiple? 嗯 Okay. So Alex, do you still remember? I really need to hear something. Okay, Alex, I cannot just give in class for a great wall. Like either you talk to me or you show me.
Bro, I'm saying something. You can't hear me?
Now I can hear you. Before I cannot hear you.
Um, a little bit, I think.
What does a little bit mean? So 15 and 10, right? So we have a short division. So which number can be both divisible by 15 and 10 at the same time?
30.
Can be divided by, so it's 5.
5.
Yes, can be divided by 5. Okay, so 3 and 2.
So the lowest common multiple is 30.
So that's why the lowest common multiple, just to time all the number together, so equals 30. So this one is how to make 15 30. So 15 times 2. And how to make 10 30. So 10 times 3. So times 2 and times 3. So 4 times 2 and 1 times 3. So 8 over 30 minus 3 over 30. So equals 5 over 6. Sorry, 5 over 30. So do we have to simplify it, Amelia?
Yes.
So divided by 5. So 1 over 6.
I forgot to do the lowest common multiple.
Okay, so let's take a look next one. 20 and 5. Okay, so Alex, do we have to change anything for both of them?
Yes.
No, the 20 and 5 is a multiple, 20 is a multiple of 5. So we don't have to touch anything for this 20. But all we need to do is 5 times 4 and 1 times 4. Okay, so let's do 7 over 20 minus 4 over 20 equals what? 3 over 20. Okay, next one. 23, 18, and 12. 18 and 12. 18 is not the multiple of 12. So we're going to do this. So Alex, which number can be at the same time divided by 18 and 12?
2.
Yes. 9 and 6. And what is the next one? Divided by what? 9 and 6. Which number can be both divisible?
3.
Very good. 3 and 2. So all you need to do is just time them all together. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 equals what? Equals what? 3 times 3 times 2 times 2.
36.
36. Okay, so 18, how to change it to 36? 18 times 2, 3 times 2, and minus 1 times 3 over 12 times 3. So the answer is 6 over 36 minus 3 over 36 equals 3 over 36. But, Alex, we need to simplify, so it's 1 over 12. Okay, so 24, 9 over 24, and 3 over 16. Amelia, did you finish this one? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so Alex, I want you to tell me what is the lowest common multiple of 24 and 16? Alex, divided by 2, right? So 12 and 8. Again, divided by 2, so 6 and 4. And divided by 2, 3 and 2. So times all of them together equals 48. So I need to 24 times 2 minus 16 times 3. So 9 times 2 minus 3 times 3. So the answer is 18 over 48 minus 9 over 48 equals 9 over 48. A lot of students think that's the end. But we need to do what? Divide it by 3 at the same time. So 3 over 16.
I have to go.
Okay, yeah, I know your parents have told me. So remember to watch the video, okay? So now I think we all understand how to do it, right, Amelia? So now we move forward to the multiplication. Okay, actually multiplication is better than the plus and minus. You remember how to do it? Amelia? It just does. We can do a lot of things better. Okay, much quicker. So number 1, number 2, and number 3. And you do it on the screen yourself. You can directly do it on the screen. Yes. Okay, very good. Amelia, I think you are perfect to understand how to do the multiplication of the fraction. We're going to move forward immediately to the division. Do you still remember how to do the division? Okay,
Yes.
so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so division is the same. Sorry, oh, Alex is watching the video, so we need to still do a little bit explanation. So when we do the multiplication, Amelia, how about like that? You do the explanation. You tell Alex how to do that. Okay, so first question, 1/2 times 3/4. How to do it? Can you do it?
You just times the numbers.
Yeah, so times what number? Which number times together? How many
Like
numbers?
the numerator times with the numerator and the denominator times with the denominator.
Very good. So we have a line. So numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So the answer is 3/8, right? But could you please explain a little bit more for the number 2 and number 3, how to do the elimination?
So if there's the same number that's like on the top and the same number on the bottom, you can eliminate it. But if it's on like if it's both denominators, then you can't eliminate it.
Okay, so if there's 3 times 2 over 5 times 3, right? So because the both
Yeah.
denominator and numerator has the same thing, we can divide it by 3 and divide it by 3 for the both numerator and denominator. So they're not going to change the value. So the answer is 2/5, right? Very good. How about number 3? I noticed that you're doing something else. You
So
cross something.
yeah, because 4 it equals 2 times 2, so I eliminated one of the 2's in 4, and I eliminated the 2 on top of the 5.
Mhm.
So it was 1/2 times 5, which equals 1/10.
Very good. So the same thing, we have top 2 and the bottom 4. So 2 and 4 share the common factor of 2. So we divide it by 2 and divide it by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So the top is 1 times 1 equals 1. And the bottom is 2 times 5 equals 10. Correct? Okay, very good, Amelia. So now we move forward to the division. So how about you tell me how to do number 13, number 20, and let me do another one. Number 23. Okay, 13, 20, and 23.
So I write on the board.
Yeah, you write on the board. Happy? Kayo, Amelia. Okay, Amelia, number 20, how to do it? So 2 over 23 times, oh, sorry. Very good. Amelia, so do we have to change anything? No, this one is simplified already, right? So pay attention to number 23. Very good. Okay, let me see. Very good, Amelia. Okay, so let's just do a little explanation for Alex. Okay, so Amelia today will be our new teacher assistant. So 8 over 15 times 5 over 2, right? So Amelia, when we do the division, it is the same as a multiplication, right? But you need to change this division into times, and you change what? Flip the second fraction, correct? Amelia?
Yeah.
So from 2 over 5 became what? 5 over 2.
5 over 2.
Okay, so 5 over 2. Get it? Okay, very good.
Get it.
So now that's the same thing. So 8 over 5, 8 times 5 and 15 times 2. So we what? Divided by 5 equals 1, divide 5 equals 3. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So the answer is 4 over 3. And very good, Amelia, you did change it. You've simplified, so it's 1 and 1 over 3. Very good. Okay, good job, Amelia. So remember this part? Okay, so this part, you don't have to do, if you don't know how to do it, you don't have to do it. This will be part of the thing like we learn it in future. But if you already know how to do it, you can finish this part as your homework. Understand, Amelia? Okay, so that's it for today's class.
Yeah, by the way, my battery is like low on the computer.
Go
It's
to
at
go to
60%.
charge it. Okay, please go to charge it because Amelia, you're going to have another class, right? Did your mom tell you?
Really?
Oh, yeah, you're having
Oh,
another
dear.
class. We're learning something else.
Okay, so
Okay, so we're gonna see each other in half an hour.
okay.
Bye-bye.